नमस्ते फ्रेंड्स, कैसे हैं आप सब? कैसे हैं आप या फिर आप कैसे हैं? Well, this is what we are going to learn in today's class. Till now, we have learned a lot of questions and their answers. And if you have noted, I can say that in the standard form of every sentence in Hindi, a sentence starts with a subject and it ends with a verb. Okay, if not every, then almost every. Here we can see all the questions start with a subject and end with a verb. हैं, हो, है, हैं, है. ठीक है? Now I have written questions here, but the same structure is followed by other type of sentences also. Like आप कैसे और कैसी हैं is how are you? The response can be मैं ठीक हूँ. So मैं subject, हूँ verb, starting with a subject, ending with a verb. तुम कैसे हो और तुम कैसी हो, how are you? तुम कहाँ हो, तुम subject, हो verb. Where are you? Response, मैं ऑफिस में हूँ. Subject मैं, verb हूँ. The other things between the subject and the verb are the extra details. Now ये क्या है? What is this? आप कहाँ से हैं? Where are you from? What we are going to learn today is there is one more form that you will hear in conversations, maybe in movies or songs. What is that other form? That the subject is spoken in the last of the question. This happens mainly in questions, not general statements. So आप कैसे हैं और आप कैसी हैं can also be written as कैसे हैं आप और कैसी हैं आप. Now the thing is the same, how are you? But what is the difference? The difference is this is the standard form. This is used for writing. We cannot use this one for writing. But we can use both of them for conversations, for talking. So तुम कैसे हो or तुम कैसी हो can be कैसी हो तुम. Again you can see the subject, the pronoun तुम has come at the end of the question. ठीक है? कहाँ हो तुम, कहाँ हो तुम, प्यार में तेरे यहाँ हम गुम. ये क्या है? What is this? Can be क्या है ये? This way of saying is when you don't like something. So अरे क्या है ये? What is this? आप कहाँ से हैं? कहाँ से हैं आप? लड़का कहाँ है? Subject, details, verb. कहाँ है लड़का? So, this was all about this lesson. This was a very short lesson in which you learned how to say the same thing, how to ask the same thing in two ways. I suggest you writing some more questions by yourself in the comments just for your practice. I will be back very much soon with another short lesson in which you will learn a new thing. ठीक है, नमस्ते, मिलते हैं.